What's going on, guys? This is me. What are you doing?
I'm gonna watch something.
What are you gonna watch?
I'm gonna see the dinosaurs.
No, you can't watch this. It's too scary.
No, it's not.
Okay, fine. But if you watch this, you gotta promise you're not gonna get scared.
Come on, this is not even scary. I saw it with Apple.
Okay. No, are you scared?
Yes.
What's the scariest part?
A giant bird that
What?
attacks people.
Oh, that sounds really scary, Noah. Time for bed. It's time to go to sleep, okay? Good night. Good night, buddy. Close your eyes.
What was that?
I'm gonna eat you, Noah.
Ah!
Where'd you go? I can't see you, Noah.
Sorry, I'm moving.
Oh my god. What the? Why did I have a dream that I was Noah getting chased by a bird monster that looked a lot like me? You know, this video was kind of random and like went nowhere, but I mean, I guess that's what you get when you're stuck at your grandparents' house for an entire day and you upload daily.